What is exception handling?
Exception handling is a way to manage errors or unexpected events in a program. Instead of causing a program to crash, exceptions allow developers to react to problems, like missing files or bad user input, in a controlled way. Most modern programming languages, including Python, Java, and JavaScript, offer tools to handle these situations gracefully.
Exception handling in Python.
In Python, exception handling uses the try, except, and optionally, finally keywords. Code that might cause an error is placed inside a try block. If an error occurs, Python jumps to the except block, where you can respond to the issue. The optional finally block runs code whether or not an exception occurred, often used for cleanup.
Exception handling in Java.
Java employs try, catch, and optionally finally blocks, much like Python. In Java, exceptions are objects, often categorized as checked or unchecked. Checked exceptions must be either caught or declared in the method signature. This encourages programmers to anticipate and manage errors, helping to write more robust code.
Exception handling in JavaScript.
In JavaScript, exception handling also uses try, catch, and finally blocks. When code inside a try block fails, execution moves to the catch block. Unlike Java, JavaScript only has unchecked exceptions. Developers decide how or whether to handle errors, giving more flexibility, but also more responsibility.
Comparing approaches and best practices.
So, Python, Java, and JavaScript use similar keywords for exception handling, but each has different rules and emphasis. Java enforces stricter handling with checked exceptions. Python and JavaScript are more relaxed. The key is to anticipate errors, handle them at the right place, and always provide helpful error messages to make debugging easier.